Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hub. So for this example, we're told that in a school, students are given a student email and randomly assigned an 8-character password, which they can change afterwards. The 8-character password can contain any of the 10 digits and capital and lowercase letters, where characters may be used more than once. For part A, we're asked how many possible 8-character passwords can be created in total. And for part B, we're asked how many 8-character passwords start with 2 digits, followed by 4 capital letters, and then ending with 2 lowercase letters. First, let's start with part A. So to find the number of possible 8-character passwords that can be created, we can use the multiplication principle. Let's first draw out the placements. Since we have an 8-character password, then we have 8 placements. And for each placement, we have 10 plus 26 plus 26, which is equal to 62 possible characters to choose from. So we have 62 possible characters to choose from for each placement. So let's write 62 for each placement. And this is because we have 10 digits, 26 capital letters, and 26 lowercase letters to choose from. And so thus, by the multiplication principle, there are 62 times 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 62, which is equal to 62 to the 8 possible ways to create an 8-character password. And that's it for part A. Now let's move on to part B. For part B, we're told that the password must start with 2 digits, followed by 4 capital letters, and then it must end with 2 lowercase letters. Once again, let's draw out all of the placements. From here, we have 10 possibilities for the first 2 placements, since they have to be digits, and we have 10 digits to choose from. We have 26 possibilities for the following 4 placements, since they must be capital letters, and we have 26 capital letters to choose from. And finally, we have 26 possibilities for the last 2 placements, since they have to be lowercase letters. And thus, by the multiplication principle, there are 10 times 10 times 26 times 26 times 26 times 26 times 26 times 26, which is equal to 10 squared times 26 to the power of 4 times 26 to the power of 2, which is equal to 10 squared times 26 to the power of 6. Possible 8-character passwords. And that's it for part B. So that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.